So you are upgrading your hard drive or maybe backing up your system and you are thinking, hold on, why not just copy everything manually? I mean, just connect two drives, drag the files over and boom, done, right? Well, not quite. See, when you manually copy files, you only grab what you can see, your documents, photos, videos. But your system runs on much more than visible files. Things like your installed programs, your bootable operating system, hidden system file, recovery partition, they all are essential. Without them, your computer will not start. It won't run like before. It's like copying just the furniture from a house, but leaving behind the wall, wiring and plumbing. You cannot live in it anymore. That is where disk cloning come in. It's not just copying, it's creating a perfect full clone of your entire drive. Every file, every app, every system setting, every boot instruction. It's the only way to move your system to a new drive and have it work exactly like before as if nothing changed. And today in this video I am going to show you that how you can use AOMEI Cloner to clone your disk, and best thing about AOMEI Cloner is that it's free, super easy tool that makes this whole process very simple even if you are not techie. Link in the description box, go through this link and download it. So let's download the software from the website. Simply copy the link from the description box and paste it in the browser. Once the website opens, here click on the utility tabs and click on AOMEI Cloner. Then scroll down and here click on download now button. Once downloaded, simply install it by following the on-screen instruction. After installing, when the AOMEI Cloner opens, you will see three different options: system clone, disk clone and partition clone. And if you click on tool, you can also create a bootable drive. In my case, I want the disk clone, but before we clone the disk, let's rename our drive for our own ease of access. So this is the drive that I want to clone into this disk. I give them the name of destination. Now open the AOMEI Cloner and click on disk clone. Here you can see the both drive, disk to clone and destination drive. Both are present over here. In the first step, click on the disk to clone. Then click on next. In the second step, select the destination drive. Then click next and here click on yes. If you have SSD drive, then make sure to check the SSD alignment. Otherwise, if you don't have SSD drive, then leave as it is. Next, click start clone. Wait while it's work, and when it's done, swap out your old drive, boot up and boom. Everything is ready to go on your new disk. Quick recap. So remember, manual copy is equal to only your files. Disk cloning is equal to your whole system ready to run. With cloning, you get your operating system, your install app, system file and recovery partition, a bootable plug and play new drive. Don't risk a half-finished backup. Clone your full drive the right way with AOMEI Cloner. It's simple, reliable and free. Check the link in the description to get started. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and I will catch you in the next one.